The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. At approximately 3:21 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, an earthquake with a magnitude of 9.1 has struck the entire West Coast. This earthquake has caused major damage to the West Coast, causing mass panic, injuries, and fatalities all around the West Coast. In addition, it is believed that a mega tsunami could form due to this, but that cannot be confirmed at this time. At this time, all residents of the West Coast are advised to stay vigilant and look out for any water formations of a tsunami. Prepare any evacuation efforts for a mega tsunami. Stay tuned for further updates on this potentially dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. At approximately 5:18 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a mega tsunami has been spotted in the Pacific Ocean and is rushing towards the west coast. It is believed that this mega tsunami will impact within the next 8 hours. The following actions are to be taken in order to ensure the safety of all residents. Evacuate the area as quickly as possible. Gather food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Evacuate the area in a safe but swift manner. Those who do not evacuate will surely not survive and will face death. Stay tuned for further updates on this very dangerous situation.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service in conjunction with the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center. A tsunami warning is now in effect for the entire West Coast. At approximately 11:09 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, the mega tsunami that was spotted 6 hours ago has now been confirmed to hit the West Coast within the next 2 hours. In addition, the evacuation order that was issued earlier is still in effect. If you have not evacuated, then it is too late. The most viable option would be to seek high ground immediately. Grab food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Those who have evacuated, do not return as it will only lead to your demise. Please stay tuned for further updates on this dangerous situation.
An administrative message. from the Federal Emergency Management Agency. The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Weather Service. The mega tsunami that hit the west coast has now impacted. Over 142,000 people have evacuated, and over 239,000 people have died. Do not return home, as there is no home to return to. The west coast is now completely uninhabitable and unrecognizable. Fortunately, the danger is now over, and normal programming may now resume. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency.